you're looking to inject more humour into your presentation, you may well be sat there thinking, what on earth can I talk about that's funny? Now, as I've said in previous videos, what you're looking for here is humour, not comedy. You're not looking for big gags. But think about the things that have made you laugh recently or made other people laugh recently. For example, have you told a story? Have you found yourself saying, you're not going to believe what happened to me last night, or oh my God, I've got to tell you about what happened in that meeting this morning? It may well be that you can take that story and tell it as part of your presentation. Now, clearly, context is everything. If you're going to tell a story about a meeting you were in this morning, you've got to make sure that you're protecting the innocent, should we say. And you can't start saying anything that's going to endanger other people or put them down or anything like that. But you can take those stories, those anecdotes, and use those. Is there a story you enjoy telling down the pub that you know often gets a laugh or a giggle from people? That may well be something you can put to your presentation as long as it's relevant. And that's the other thing. Humour has to be relevant to your presentation and to this audience. There's no point in just forcing a story in just because it made you laugh, but it has absolutely nothing to do with the topic at hand, because it will leave your audience they might laugh at it, but going thinking, why have you just told us that? What? And actually can leave your audience more confused than they started, which is not a great place to be. So think about stories, think about anecdotes. In particular, you can tell stories about yourself. By all means, laugh about yourself, your own experiences, your job, whatever, but don't make yourself the butt of the joke. Don't laugh at yourself. Don't put yourself down. I see a lot of people doing this on stage. They will make jokes about themselves that make themselves sound stupid. Now, by all means, talk about something silly you've done, but then you talk about how you rectified it or how you recovered or whatever. Don't leave an audience with a feeling that somehow you're a fool or that actually you're not competent or capable, because they'll switch off. If they get the feeling that you're not competent or capable, why should they listen to you? So by all means, make jokes about yourself. Now, I often tell jokes about the fact that I have silver hair. Actually, this isn't silver hair. These are long-term highlights. I'll talk about my voice because I know some people think I have a posh voice and all that sort of stuff. So I will laugh at different aspects of myself, but I won't put myself down. I'm very proud of the fact that I have silver hair. I've had it for years. I'm used to it. Doesn't bother me. So I can laugh at it, but I'm not about to start saying, oh, I'm really old. I'm really sorry. I'm an old grey-haired grandpa or anything like that. Sorry, that's not my style. I'm not going to put myself down, and you shouldn't either. It's a really important part of finding humour. By all means, laugh about yourself. Don't laugh at yourself.